the way it works is these two switches are the controls.
Yeah.
So this is choose the bowl.
Yeah.
These are almond, milk, dark, and caramel.
Okay.
When you decide what you want, hit the blue one. That was my name.
Come on, baby, give me mine.
Oh, we should have trained it to where you were at. There you go.
Cool.
Thank you.
Can I have this one?
Absolutely.
Thank you.
This is going to sound like an interesting question. Do you by chance have AMC?
Yes.
So have you ever heard of AMC Aside?
No.